I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, this is the best strategy hands down. There's nothing else in the market I see this good. Well, I mean, there's other strategies which can be competed with it, like liquidity sweep and stuff like that is very good also. I'm taking this trade here for one, guys, and I'm gonna show you something. You notice that there was a doji candle right here, right? And what happened? This candle right here breaks the doji, so we can expect the doji, because dojis are like ranging markets and the lower time frame, so therefore we can expect some form of rejection from the candle right here. Plus we have the demand area. See that? Look at that rejection. So someone asked me if you always have to go with the trend. Yes or no. Going with the trend only helps your trade. Okay, you don't have to go with the trend. It's about identifying the strong supply and demands. All right. I'm taking this one right here. As you see, guys, I'm in the direction of the trend. Okay, and this candle here, not only is it a engulfing candle, it is also a continuation sign. All right, and we're already in the direction of the movement, and the movement is trying to go higher. Let me tell you something, guys. You need to add at least 3 to 4 confluences. Even more is better. Okay, this is how you start to find the consistency, and the only way to know these other confluences, you need to understand candlestick psychology. Okay, you don't know this, but candlestick psychology is the key to understanding this strategy, any strategy for that matter. All right, beautiful. This one is very good, guys. You see this, we have a engulfing candle right here, and the price reached the supply area, right? And we have the trend going down. So this movement right here was a fake out move, and traders who don't understand the market psychology, they took a buy trade, but realistically, look at it, rejected. And this is what happened when you understand what you're doing. Guys, tell me something you notice in this trade. This trade is a very unique one, because not only there is a demand area, look at this, green, red, green, red. We can expect a green candle now, because this is market sequence. Okay, and we have the demand area, so therefore the rejection is almost certain. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, you can't make this stuff up. Look at that. This one also is a very nice one. And guys, I want you to pay attention and notice that most of my trades are with the trend. It's not that difficult to find the trend, okay? And make sure you know that you're going with the trend. Look at that rejection. Look how sharp this entry is. You see that? Supply and demand. Let me tell you something. If you're not using supply and demand, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, this is the best strategy hands down. There's nothing else in the market I see this good. Well, I mean, there's other strategies which can be competed with it, like liquidity sweep and stuff like that is very good also. So this entry point here is not fully good, but hold on, let me look at this. Okay, let me just set this alarm right there. Ooh. Okay, let me focus on this and explain to you guys. My entry point is not all good, but I'm expecting a strong rejection. Why? I mean, look at this, drop, base, drop. I mean, a strong trending movement. Okay, plus the demand area is fairly good. Okay, and this is how you have to combine at least 3 to 4 or 5 reasons. Even more, it's better. Okay, I'm taking this one right here. Yeah, definitely Now I'm against the trend, but look at this. Let me show you something. Even when you are against the trend, if you combine multiple confluences, your trade can still win. It's not about the trend, okay? It's mainly about trading approach. Now, if you look closely, this right here creates a lower low compared to this one, and it's a green candle. So this is telling me like, there's a lot of sellers right here, okay? Now, because of that reason, when the price reached the supply area, I add it with that, okay? And then I see that the market is trying to create a new trend. So with multiple confluences, it increases the probability of me winning the trade. Nice one. This is a nice one. And look at this. I'm actually against the trend, which is trying to go down. But what happened is I have a lot of confluences right here. Let me show you. If you notice, this is a range. You see the market is not really going anywhere. So this means whenever the price reaches any supply or demand area, it will reject or bounce from it, okay? It will, because this is how the market operates. And if you want to learn more about supply and demand, you can watch this playlist right here.